Most people don't know what naloxone is, or how it can help during an opioid overdose. If there are opioids in your home, keeping naloxone on hand is a smart way to prepare for the unexpected. Naloxone is an emergency life-saving medication that can help reverse an opioid overdose. Using opioids, prescribed or not, comes with significant risks. Recreational drug use presents an even higher risk, as these drugs, including cocaine and methamphetamine, may be contaminated with unknown amounts of potentially deadly substances such as fentanyl. So it's important not to use when you're alone. In case of an overdose, naloxone can temporarily restore breathing, allowing time for medical help to arrive. It's safe to use on someone and will have an effect only if the person is overdosing. It's also easy to use and comes as a nasal spray. If you're using opioids, talk to your healthcare provider about naloxone today. Veterans receiving VA healthcare and using opioids are eligible to receive it for free. Your health and safety are important, and VA encourages you to talk openly with your provider about any opioid or other substance use. If you're a veteran taking opioids, or if you are a family member or friend concerned about a veteran in your life at risk of opioid overdose, you should talk to your primary care provider or visit your local pharmacy to get naloxone today.